What is going on, everybody? Today we have a knife from Honey Badger, and it is a Tanto. This is a very popular knife brand, getting very much up there, right along with Civivi. So let's take a look at this knife today. Okay, so yeah, they've been getting a lot of other blade shapes and everything else. So just your typical information. So this is the large. They do have a medium, which is slightly smaller. Okay. And these do come in yellow, black, orange. So this is the brown, typical honeycomb for the honey badger, lanyard, flipper, and your thumb studs. Yeah, very nice, very cool. Nice Tanto. It is on bearings and right about what, $47. So yeah, very nice action. Get thumb flip, spidey flick. Yeah, very nice. So you have your multiple deployments between your thumb studs, or I mean thumb holes, finger holes, and flipper tab. So this feels great in hand. Nice purchase on it. Very good ergonomics. Pretty drop shotty too. They're very much up there with Civivi. Nice deep carry pocket clip, and it is reversible. Yeah, very nice. This is my first time handling a Honey Badger because they just now came out with a Tanto. So, oops, fail. That's just me. It's very double, triple fail there. There we go. A little off today. Been a long work week. So, overall, yeah, very nice. Very quick and snappy. Nice and drop shotty. Ooh, I'm just failing today. Sorry, guys. It's not because of the knife, that's for sure. Got some nice jimping up here, so it feels really good in hand. Not a super aggressive Tanto, but it's a very nice Tanto at the same time. Nice blade overall, nice kind of satiny finish, nice wedge at the top. Yeah, got a nice fine edge. Not a very thick stock either, so this will be a very slicey knife. Nice full grind, full flat grind, all the way up. Yeah, feels really good. Reverse grip, yeah. That pocket clip is spot on. No hot spots at all. You barely even notice it's there. Seems like it's got a pretty good ramp for getting in pockets. So, and like I said, it is deep carry. So, and of course, glass reinforced nylon handles and D2 steel. Oh no, sorry, ACR 13 MOV steel. Sorry, basically pretty close to D2. So no, not bad at all. Like I said, for $47, it was I think $52 shipped. So, and I got this straight from Honey Badger. So, yeah, right, it feels really good. That's a nice knife, very budget friendly. So there you guys go. That is the Honey Badger Tanto in brown. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you next time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit like because it always helps the channel out. Have a great day, guys. Bye.